Hello everyone, I am Machie and I'm from Nigeria. I'm a pharmacist by profession. In this video, I would like to talk about the express entry step-by-step video guide. To begin, I would like to take you through my journey in the express entry world. In 2015, a friend of mine called me up and asked me if I was interested in migrating to Canada. And I said, why not? It's a land of milk and honey. It's something I've always dreamed about. So he introduced me to an agent who offered to help me and get things done for me. I paid him a huge amount of money, and at the end of the day, it got me nowhere. I lost my money. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know who to meet. I didn't know who to trust. So I said to put a hold on the express entry package. But just last year, in December 2017, a friend of mine introduced me to the express entry law Facebook group, and I was part of an live Q&A section with Machie. I was so amazed because I haven't seen something like that out there. It's one of its kind. You know, people get to ask questions and get replies and all that. So, and I was so happy. And fortunately for me, Machie will advertise the step-by-step video guide for express entry and was given a Christmas discount. And I said, wow, this is an opportunity for me to grab this express entry video step-by-step guide. And when I purchased it and I looked through the content, I couldn't believe myself. I was marveled. I was elated at what I saw. I mean, it contained every bit of information you could think of, from the preparatory stages down to all the documents you need to assemble and to confirmation of permanent residence. In fact, it was a video about how to get it done yourself. And what amazed me was the fact that someone could painstakingly sit down and put this video together step by step with all the necessary information you need. Man, I was so grateful that and fortunate to have come across it. I know so many people out there are still seeking for information and they don't know where to get it. They don't know how to go about it. But well, I believe if you're seeing this video, just trust me. It's something everyone should go for. If you're looking for answers and you don't know where to get it, you can get it from the step-to-step video guide. It's everything. It's the A to Z of express entry. You know, today now people call me up asking me, these questions, that questions, and I feel like I'm a master of express entry. In fact, they think I'm a professional expert. They think I'm an expert in express entry matters, but I told them it's not me. It's the magic of the step-by-step video guide, and it's something that really, if you're looking to migrate to Canada through the express entry, is something you should purchase. Because if you're looking for information, look no further than the express entry video step-by-step guide. It's wonderful. It's marvelous. In fact, everything. In fact, and the most amazing thing about it is that even if you have questions, in the comment section, you can drop them and Machie will get right back to you. That's one of the pluses of express entry video step-by-step guide. It's awesome. It's amazing. I thank Machie for that, and I really appreciate the fact that today I have all the information I need. I have a wealth of information about express entry, and I'm so happy that today I can do it on my own. Thank you.